हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू द ऑफिशियल चैनल ऑफ आईआईटी आश्रम। आई बिलीव कि आप लोगों का खोज का एग्जाम बहुत बढ़िया होगा और आप लोग बहुत उत्सुक होंगे अपने आंसर की को टैली करने के लिए और सॉल्यूशंस देखने के लिए। बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन, मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन लेकर आया हूं कि आपका खोज का जो भी स्कॉलरशिप बनेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्कोर, आपको एक एडिशनल स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर किया जा रहा है 5% का। अगर आप कोर्स के लिए नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए अगर आप रजिस्टर करते हैं बिफोर 29 अक्टूबर, 29 अक्टूबर के पहले अगर आप रजिस्टर करते हैं तो जो भी आपका स्कॉलरशिप होगा इसमें एड ऑन 5% कर लीजिए। मतलब अगर आपका स्कॉलरशिप 40% आता है तो 40 नहीं, आपको 45% स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर किया जाएगा। तो 50% स्कॉलरशिप अगर आप अचीव करते हैं अपने स्कोर के थ्रू तो आपको 55% ऑफर किया जाएगा, राइट। तो अपने पेरेंट्स को बताइएगा इन्फॉर्मेशन और इस ऑफर का जरूर अच्छे से फायदा उठाइएगा, बहुत बेनिफिशियल रहेगा आपके लिए। पेरेंट्स को ये इन्फॉर्मेशन दीजिएगा सो दैट आप इसका बेनिफिट उठा पाए, राइट। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद वीडियो सॉल्यूशन।
खोज स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट मैथमेटिक्स सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे क्लास 8। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, 4 minus 5 by 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, what is the answer of this? Given that 4 minus 4 4 minus 5 by 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. 2 plus 1 by 4 कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? आपको बॉटम टू टॉप जाना है। जैसे इसको प्लस करें तो देखो एज इट इज लिख देते हैं। 4 minus 5 by 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by एलसीएम लेंगे। 4 2 जा 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 4। 4 2 जा 8 plus 1 9 by 4 हो गया। नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करेंगे? सेम यही प्रोसीजर जाना है, बॉटम टू टॉप जाना है। सो 4 माइनस समथिंग एज इट इज। 4 माइनस 5 by 1 plus 1 by 3 plus क्या है 1 by 9 by 4। देन रेसिप्रोकल होकर क्या हो जाएगा? 3 plus 4 by 9। 3 plus 4 by 9, राइट। अब नेक्स्ट सेम प्रोसीजर, बॉटम टू टॉप, एलसीएम रेसिप्रोकल, एलसीएम रेसिप्रोकल, जब तक सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म नहीं आ जाए। 4 minus 5 by 1 plus 1 by 9 3 जा 27, 27 plus 4 31 by 9, right? Again reciprocal, 4 minus 5 by 1 plus 31 by 9. Again LCM and reciprocal, 4 by 5 by 31 plus 9 40 by 9, right? 9 plus 1 31 plus 9 40 by 9. Again reciprocal, 4 minus 9 into 5 45 by 40. 9 by 45 by 40. Take LCM 40. So this becomes 160 minus 45. 160 minus 45. So this becomes 115 by 40. Simplify by 5. 5 2s are, 5 3s are, and 5 8s are. So 23 by 8. वापस एक बार चेक कर नहीं आप पीजिए, मैं पी के आया निकला था। हाँ सर कीजिए वापस से, स्टार्टिंग से करता हूँ, चलेगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, 4 माइनस 5 बाई 1 प्लस 1 बाई 3 प्लस 1 बाई 2 प्लस 1 बाई 4. Simplify this. 4 minus 5 by 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. तो आपको टॉप टू बॉटम जाना है। सबसे पहले यहाँ ब्रैकेट बना देते हैं। टॉप बॉटम टू टॉप जाना है, एलसीएम रेसिप्रोकल ये प्रोसेस होगा। सो 4 एज इट इज रख देते हैं, 4 माइनस 5 बाई 1 प्लस 1 बाई 3 प्लस, यहाँ तक ठीक है, राइट। 4 टू जा 8, 8 प्लस 1 9, सो 9 बाई 4 और रेसिप्रोकल होके क्या हो जाएगा 4 बाई 9। 2 4 जा 8 प्लस 1 9 बाई 4, रेसिप्रोकल होके 9 बाई 4। नाउ टेक LCM and reciprocal. 4 minus 5 by 1 plus, this becomes 9 3 ja 27, 27 plus 4 31, so 9 by 31. Addition reciprocal. Next 4 minus, again LCM, 31 plus 9 40. So 40 by 31, so 5 into 31 by 40. LCM reciprocal. 5 1 जा 5 8 जा. LCM 8, 8 4 जा 32 minus 31, so answer is 1 by 8. So option number B is the right answer, 1 by 8. Next question number second. 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 5, dot dot dot, 1 minus 1 by 99 multiply by 1 minus 1 by 100. See, given that 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 99 into 1 minus 1 by 100, right? So take LCM in this, 3 is LCM, so this becomes 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. Take LCM in this, 4, so 3 by 4, sorry, 1 by 5. Take LCM in this, so 4 by 5, right? So मल्टीप्लाई विद डॉट डॉट डॉट, सिंप्लीफाई होता जाएगा। सेम देखिए नेक्स्ट में क्या बन जाएगा, 98 बाई 99 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 99 बाई 100. सी 3 3 कैंसिल आउट, 4 4 कैंसिल आउट, सिमिलरली 99 कैंसिल आउट, 98 कैंसिल आउट. सो फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट टर्म 2 बचेगा एंड फ्रॉम द लास्ट टर्म 100. सो 2 बाई 100, सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म ऑफ द 2 बाई 100 इज 2 1 ja and 50. So 1 by 50. So option number B is the right answer. Next question number third. 1 by 1 into 2. 1 by 1 multiply by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus dot 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 1 by 100 into 101. 1 by 100 multiply by 101. This is 1 by 2, right? ये क्या है 1 by 6, 1 by 12, 1 by 100 into 101. तो अब 1 by 2 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, 1 minus 1 by 2. We can write 1 by 6. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 12 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Right? Similarly, Continue. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 100 minus 1 by 101. 1 by 2 1 by 2 cancel out, 1 by 3 cancel out, similarly cancel out होते रहेंगे. So first term में से बचेगा 1 and last term is 1 by 101. Take LCM 101. So 101 minus 1. 101 minus 1, 100. So 100 divided by 101. This will be the answer. Option number B. Next, question number 4. 1 square minus 2 square. 1 square minus 2 square. Plus 3 square minus 4 square. Plus 5 square minus 6 square. 9 square minus 10 square. Find the value of this. आप डायरेक्ट स्क्वायर करके माइनस कर सकते हैं, तो वो तो आप इजीली कर ही सकते हो. यूजिंग द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ a plus b into a minus b or a square minus b square. What is the value of a square minus b square? A plus b multiply with a minus b. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2. नेक्स्ट वाला क्या बन जाएगा? 3 minus 4 into 3 plus 4. नेक्स्ट 5 minus 6 into 5 plus 6. नेक्स्ट 6 minus 7 into 6 plus 7. Sorry, 7 minus 8. Next becomes 7 minus 8 and 7 plus 8, right? And last क्या बनेगा? 9 minus 10 into 9 plus 10. 1 minus 2 minus 1 multiplied with 3 plus 3 minus 4 minus 1 multiplied with 7 plus 5 minus 6 minus 1 multiply with 11 plus minus 1 multiply with 15 plus minus 1 multiply with 10, 9 plus 10, 19. So this becomes minus 3 minus 7 minus 11 minus 15 and minus 19. सबका सम कर देंगे, आंसर नेगेटिव आएगा. हाँ नेगेटिव आएगा, तो पॉजिटिव आंसर तो हो ही नहीं सकता. मीन्स ऑप्शन ए तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. अब देखते हैं कौन सा ऑप्शन राइट है. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 10 20, 21, 31 plus 5 36, 36 46, 46 plus 9 minus 55. So option D is the right answer, minus 55. Next, question number 5. What is the value of this? Square root of 1.21 multiplied with 0.9 divided by 1.1 into 0.11. रिमूव द डेसिमल. डेसिमल को हटा देते हैं सबसे पहले, तो 121 बन जाएगा और डिवाइड में कितना आ जाएगा? 100. 9 का डेसिमल हटेगा तो डिवाइड में क्या आ जाएगा? 10, राइट. नेक्स्ट 11, तो 11 का ऊपर 10 आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट 0.11, this is also becomes 1.1, 11 multiplied by 10, or this becomes 100, right? Again 1.21 डेसिमल हटा, डिवाइड में 100. 0.9 9 by 10. 1.1 डिनोमिनेटर में था, सो 10 by 11 और 11 by 100. ये 100 कैंसल आउट, 10 cancel out. 11 into 11, 121. So 121 is also cancel out. So in the square root of 9, so answer will be 3. option number B. Right. Next question number 6. What is the smallest number positive integer? What is the smallest positive integer which when multiplied by 392 gives the perfect square? 392 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए? सो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 392, 2 1 जा 9 जा 6 जा, राइट. नेक्स्ट 2 9 जा 8 जा, 2 4 49, 49 divided by 2, so sorry, this is not divisible by 2, so divisible by 7, divided by 7, 7 divided by 7, so 1. So prime factorization of 392 is equal to 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 7 multiplied by 7. If a number is perfect square root, perfect square, then prime factor प्राइम जो फैक्टर होते हैं सो ये पेयर में होते हैं. किसका पेयर कंप्लीट नहीं है? 2 का पेयर कंप्लीट नहीं है. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर बाय 2, सो दिस बिकम्स परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, मल्टीप्लाई विद 2. Next, question number 7. Find the value of this. Square root of 5 plus square root of 11 plus square root of 19 plus square root of 29 plus square root of 49. We know that the square root of the 49 is 7, तो इसको 7 कर देते हैं. तो नेक्स्ट क्या बन जाएगा? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 11 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 19 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 29 प्लस 7. (29 plus 7) 36. तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 प्लस square root of 11 plus square root of 19 plus square root of 36. 36 इसका होता है 6, so 19 plus 6 25. So square root of 5 plus square root of 11 plus 19 plus 6 25, so square root of 25. Square root of the 25 is 5 and 11 plus 5 16. So square root of 5 plus square root of 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 16. So square root of 5 plus square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4, so 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, so square root of 9 is equal to, answer is 3. So option number A is the answer, 3. मीन्स पीछे से आपको चलना है. स्क्वायर रूट 49 7 29 में ऐड हो जाएगा, 36 हो जाएगा, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 36 6 हो जाएगा. सो 19 में ऐड हुआ 25 हो गया, फिर 25 का स्क्वायर रूट 5 हो गया, सो 11 प्लस 5 16 हो गया. 16 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 होता है, सो 4 प्लस 9 हो गया, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 इज 3. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस डॉट 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 अप टू इनफाइनाइट. राइट. Let value of this is x. Let value of this is equal to x. Right? So x is equal to square root of 2 plus x. Because ये वैल्यू भी तो सेम ही है. अगर मैं इस पूरे को x लूंगा तो ये वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी? कौन सी वाली वैल्यू? दिस वन. ये वाली वैल्यू भी क्या आ जाएगी आपकी? x ही आ जाएगी, बिकॉज ये तो सेम ही है और अप टू इनफाइनाइट तक जा रहा है. So now squaring both this side, squaring both the side. Squaring both the side, then this becomes x square is equal to 2 plus x. X square is equal to 2 plus x. X square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term, factorization, x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x will be the common. So x minus 2 plus 1 x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 and x plus 1 equal to 0. So value of the x is x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. And second value, x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. So answer is x is equal to 2, option number B. Because ये वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस x प्लस b divides by a minus b is equal to x minus b divided by a plus b. Cross multiplication, this multiply with this and this multiply with this. So x plus b multiplied with a plus b is equal to x minus b multiplied with a minus b. Now terms wise multiply, xa plus xb ab plus b square. Similarly, in the right hand side, xa minus xb minus ba plus b square. B square cancel out. Also another term is cancel out. xa is also cancel out. So next x minus b और राइट हैंड साइड से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसपोज होगा तो x प्लस बी हो जाएगा. और राइट हैंड साइड में अपने पास क्या है, माइनस बी और ए बी सेम ही होगा, माइनस ए बी एंड माइनस ए बी. सो 2xb is equal to minus 2ab. 2xb is equal to minus 2ab. So value of x is equal to minus 2ab divides by 2b. So 2 cancel out, bb also cancel out. So value of x is equal to minus of a. So option number C is the right answer. Next, question number 10th. 5 kg of an alloy, lead and tin contains 60% lead. How much lead must be melted into to make the alloy containing 75% of lead? Total है 50 kg. Lead and tin. 60% lead. So 60% of 50. 60% of 50. So 60 by 100 into 50. 50 1 जा 52 जा 2 divided by 60 30. So lead कितने का? Lead is 30 kg. Lead is 30 kg, then tin is 20 kg because total कितना है? Total है 50 kg. So lead is 30 kg and tin is 20 kg. Next, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि हाउ मच लेड मस्ट बी एडेड, एक्स्ट्रा आपको लेड ऐड करना है, देन कंटेनिंग 75% लेड हो जाए। लेड कितना हो जाए 75%। सो अभी कितना है आपके पास, ओरिजिनल है 30 kg, lead added x kg, आपने x kg lead ऐड किया है। सो x प्लस 30, अगर आप लेड 30 x लेड ऐड कर रहे हैं तो टोटल में भी ऐड होगा। टोटल कितना है 50 kg। ओके, तो x में भी ऐड किया, देन परसेंटेज कितना बन जाता है 75% लेड का बन जाता है। सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100। नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस, 25 4s and 25 3s are, so this becomes 4 multiply with x plus 30 is equal to 3 multiply by x plus 50. Simplify this, 4x plus 120 is equal to 3x plus 150. Transpose 4x minus 3x, x, and 150 minus 120, 30. So 30 kg lead must be added. So option number B is the right answer. जो आपने खोज का एग्जाम दिया है और अगर आपका स्कॉलरशिप 45% हो गया है या 50% हो गया है, तो अगर आप 29 अक्टूबर से पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाते हैं तो आपको 5% एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट मिलेगा स्कॉलरशिप में, जिससे आपको जितने भी स्कॉलरशिप मिली है उसमें 5% एक्स्ट्रा ऐड हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। इट डज हाफ एज वर्क as B in 3/4 of the time if together they take 18 days to complete the work, and how much time shall be taken B to do it? Let B completed work in X days. Let B completed work in X days. सपोज बी अपने वर्क को x डेज में कंप्लीट करता है, तो बी इज वन डे वर्क, बी इज वन डे वर्क। कितना हो जाएगा वन डे वर्क, रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 1/x, राइट, 1/x डेज में कंप्लीट करता है। अगर बी कंप्लीट वर्क x डेज में करता है तो वन डे में करेगा 1/x। बट क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है, ए डज हाफ एज वर्क इन बी इन 3/4। ए का हाफ वर्क, ए कंप्लीटेड हाफ वर्क, ए कंप्लीटेड हाफ मीन्स 1/2, ए कंप्लीटेड 1/2 ऑफ द वर्क इन 3/4 ऑफ द x से जितना टाइम लगता है उसे 3/4 में करता है। So A is one day work, is equal to कितना आ जाएगा 1/2 divides by 3/4 of the x, right? So ये कितना बन जाएगा 1/2 into 4/3 of 3x, 2 1 जा 2 2 जा, so 2/3x days, right? B का वन डे वर्क है 1/x, A का वन डे वर्क है 2/3x, and if they together they completed work in 18 days. So 1/x plus 2/3x is equal to 1/18. A का वन डे वर्क, B का वन डे वर्क, so this LCM is 3x, so this becomes 3 plus 2 is equal to 1/18. 5/3x is equal to 1/18, right? Simplify कर दे, 3x is equal to 5 into 18 divided by 3, so this becomes 6. So x is equal to 6 multiplied by 5, so x is equal to 30 days means we complete the whole work in the 30 days. Option number D is the right answer. Question number 12. A worker is paid 120 for the each day. Each day को उसको कितना पे करते हैं? 120. And fined rupees 40 for each day if he remain absent. अगर वो absent रहता है तो उसको 40 रुपीज का फाइन है. वो टोटल कितने डेज? If in 50 days, total 50 days, he earned 3600 fine. How many days did he remain absent? Let he present X days. He present X days. Let worker present X days. अगर X day present रहेगा तो absent कितने दिन रहेगा? Y days ले लेते हैं. Let worker absent Y days. Total number of days 50. So X plus Y is equal to 50. Right? Number of days total कितने हो गए? Present plus absent 50 days. Next, he fined for the he was paid 120 for the either present होगा तो 120 पे होगा, so 120x and absent होगा तो फाइन होगा 40 मल्टीप्लाई बाय y और उसको टोटल कितना पेड हो रहा है? जब वो एब्सेंट प्रेजेंट उसके बाद टोटल उसको पे हो रहा है 3600. टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेट्स आर 50, so x plus y equal to 50. Paid 120 if he or she is present then 120 paid होगा, अदरवाइज फाइन लगेगा 40 का. और जितना प्रेजेंट रहा जितना फाइन लगा उसको माइनस करेंगे तो 3600 रुपीज मिलेंगे. टेक 40 कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस. So 3x minus y is equal to 3600. So 3x minus y is equal to 3600 divides by 40. So this becomes 90. 3x minus y equal to 90. Equation number 2. इक्वेशन 1 प्लस इक्वेशन 2 कर देते हैं. इक्वेशन 1 प्लस इक्वेशन 2. सो x प्लस y प्लस 3x माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 50 प्लस 90. y कैंसल आउट. 4x इज इक्वल टू 140. So x is equal to 25. What is x? X number of days he present. He present 25 days. 25 days. Then he absent 25 days. X plus y is equal to 50. 120x minus 40y is equal to 3600. 43x minus y is equal to 0. 4 9 is 0. 3x 1 plus 2. X plus y, y minus y cancel out. X plus 3x is equal to 50 plus 90, 100, 140 is equal to 4x, sorry 4 3s are, yes 140 divided by, this becomes 90 plus 50 is equal to 140 and 140 divided by 4, so this becomes 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20, 35. So number of days he present is 35 days. अगर वो 35 डेज प्रेजेंट रहता है देन एब्सेंट कितने डेज रहेगा? 50 माइनस 35, सो 15 डेज इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. इफ 2:1/2 is added to a number, let number be x. Let number be x. कंडीशन क्या की हुई? इफ 2:1/2 is added to a number, किसी नंबर में आपने 2:1/2 ऐड किया है. and the sum multiplied by 4:1/2 and sum को 4:1/2 से multiply किया है and 3 is added to the product. Okay, 3 is added to the product and the dividing the sum by 1:1/5 और पूरे sum को किससे डिवाइड किया है 1:1/5 से. Then the quotient becomes 25. तो जो आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर आएगा वो 25 आएगा. ये आपको कंडीशन दी हुई. 2:1/2 is added to a number and the sum is multiplied by 4:1/2 and 3 is added to the product, then dividing the sum by 1:1/5. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को सबसे पहले इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो दिस बिकम्स x plus 5/2 multiply with 9/2 plus 3 divides by 6/5 is equal to 25. Take LCM in the numerator, multiply कर देते हैं. So 9x/2, take LCM first. Okay, तो 2x plus 5/2 multiply by 9/2 plus 3 divide by 6/5 is equal to 25. Now multiply, so this becomes 9/2 multiply with this, so this becomes 18x plus 45 divides by 4 plus 3 divides by 6/5 is equal to 25. Is equal to 25. Next take 3 multiply, take LCM 4, so this becomes 4 18x plus 45 plus 12 divides by 6/5 is equal to 25. Right? अब नेक्स्ट क्या हो जाएगा? Next becomes 18x plus 45 plus 12. So this becomes 57/4 and this becomes reciprocal, so 5/6 is equal to 25. 5 ones and 5 5s are 25. 18x plus 57 divided by 24 is equal to 5. Cross multiplication, 18x plus 57 is equal to 24 multiplied by 5, 120. So 18x is equal to 120 minus 57. So 18x is equal to 120 minus 57. So this becomes 67. 63. Right? So x is equal to 63 divided by 18. X is equal to 63 divided by 18. So 63 divided by 18, then answer is in the mixed fraction. तो improper fraction को mixed fraction में convert करेंगे. So 63 divided by 18 करेंगे तो 63 divided by 18, 18 3s are 54. So remaining is 9. So answer क्या आ जाएगा? 18 is to 3 is to, answer is 18 3s are 54, 3 is to 9/18. Simplify करेंगे 3 1s and 2s, 3 is to 1/2. So option number B is the right answer. Simplify करना है and final answer आपको mixed fraction में निकालना है. Next, question number 14. A steamer goes downstream in 4 hours and upstream in 5 hours. If the speed of the stream is 2 km/h, find the distance between the two ports. We have two cases, downstream and upstream. In the downstream, the speed of the stream and speed of the streamer is added, go with the flow, and in the upstream the speed will be minus because against the flow. So let the speed of the streamer is x and speed of the stream is given that 2 km per hour. We know that distance speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. In this case the distance is the same. दोनों केस में डिस्टेंस सेम है. इट मीन्स डाउनस्ट्रीम में स्पीड क्या हो जाएगी आपकी x + 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर and time is given that in the downstream time is 4 hours. Similarly in the upstream speed is x - 2 kilometer per hour and time is 5 hours. Right? So distance same hai. So x + 2 multiply with 4 is equal to x - 2 multiply with 5. 4x plus 8 is equal to 5x minus 10. So x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18. We want to find the distance between the two ports. X is equal to 18. So distance means we want to find the distance. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. X की वैल्यू पुट कर देते 18 + 2 20 multiply by 4. So 20 multiply by 4. So answer is 80 km per hour. Option number D is the answer. Question number 15. ABCDJ square APB is an equilateral triangle. Find the angle AOB. Find the angle AOB. ABCDJ square and APB is a equilateral triangle. APB is equilateral triangle, so this angle becomes 60 degree. ये एंगल 60 डिग्री हो गया. नेक्स्ट एंगल B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. BD is the diagonal, so this angle becomes 45 degree, half of the 90. And we want to find this angle AOB angle आपको फाइंड करना है. So using the angle sum property of the triangle, ये 65 ये 45 तो आपको ये एंगल फाइंड करना है. तो 60 + 45 60 + 45 is equal to 105 degree. So angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 105, which is equal to 75 degree. So answer of this question is 75 degree, option number B. Next, question number 16. The volume of the sphere varies directly as the cube of its radius. Its volume is 336 pi. Volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. And given that the volume of the sphere is 36 pi is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Pi cancel out. 4 1 ja, 4 9 ja. So 27 is equal to r cube. So r is equal to 3 centimeters. R is equal to 3, then diameter is equal to double of this. So diameter becomes 6 centimeter. But in this case, given that when the diameter is doubled, diameter को अगर आपने double कर दिया तो वैल्यू आंसर क्या आएगा? Then diameter is doubled, so diameter 6 multiplied by 2, diameter D is equal to 6 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Then the radius is equal to 12 divided by 2, so this becomes 6 centimeter. This is the new radius because diameter is doubled. Right? Now new volume when diameter is double. अगर आप उसके डायमीटर को डबल कर देंगे तो वॉल्यूम क्या होगा, दिस इज न्यू वैल्यू वॉल्यूम आफ्टर डबल दी डायमीटर। अब रेडियस 6 आ गया है, सेम फॉर्मूला यूज होगा 4/3 इंटू 22/7 इंटू आर क्यूब means 6 multiply by 6 multiply by 6. So 4/3 multiply by 22/7 multiply by 216. So 3 7 ja 3 2 ja 72. So 88 multiply by 72 divide by 7. सिंपल सी बात है, दिस इज द प्राइम नंबर, मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लेते हैं 88 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 72 डिवाइड बाय 7। सो 88 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 72, 88 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 72 करके आंसर निकाल लेंगे। सबसे पहले 8 2 जा 16, 17 176, 7 8 जा 56, 56 प्लस 5 61, 6 3 3 6। सो 6 3 3 6 डिवाइड बाय 7, आंसर पॉइंट्स में आएगा, एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड नहीं होगा। 7 9 जा 63 एंड 36, कोई भी आंसर डेसिमल में नहीं है, सो नन ऑफ दीज आंसर होगा बिकॉज 6336 नॉट एग्जैक्टली डिवाइडेड बाय डिविजिबल बाय 7, तो इसमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं है। सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द राइट आंसर, राइट। अगर कोई पॉइंट में होता देन वी विल डिवाइड एंड चेक इट इज आंसर इज नॉट, बट डायरेक्टली तुम्हें पता चल ही रहा है 7 9 जा 63 36, 7 5 जा 35, रिमाइंडर इज 1, देन आंसर विल बी इन द डेसिमल फॉर्म। सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, 90 men can dig a well in the 20 days. तो टोटल वर्क डन, टोटल वर्क कितना हो जाएगा, टोटल वर्क हो जाएगा आपका 90% डू इन दी 20 days। तो टोटल वर्क इज इक्वल टू 90 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20, सो 1800 वर्क आपका कंप्लीट वर्क है। टोटल वर्क डन, टोटल वर्क, ठीक है, दिस इज द टोटल वर्क, बट दे वर्कड ओनली 5 days। हाउ मेनी डेज दे वर्क, 5 days। तो वर्क डन इन 5 days, 5 days में कितना वर्क डन होगा, मल्टीप्लाई करके निकाल देते हैं। 20 days में इतना होता तो 5 days में कितना होगा, सो 90 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5, 90% 5 days में कितना करेंगे, 4 5 जा 50। टोटल वर्क है 1800, वर्क डन इन 5 days 450, सो रिमेनिंग वर्क हो जाएगा आपका 1800 माइनस 450, सो दिस बिकम्स 1350। मीन्स वी वांट टू workers will do the 1350 remaining work. How many work men extra required? Suppose let extra persons are required, तो extra person किस में ऐड होगा, 90 में ऐड होगा, और वर्क कितने डेज में कंप्लीट करना है, 10 डेज में कंप्लीट करना है। सो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इज इक्वल टू 1350, 0 0 कैंसल आउट, x इज इक्वल टू 135 माइनस 90, सो आंसर इज द 45। So extra workers required. How many men should employed? So 45 men should be employed. So work will be done. Next question number 18. If x is equal to 1 by, given that x is equal to 1 by 5 minus x, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Cross multiplication, x multiplied with 5 minus x is equal to 1. So 5x minus x square is equal to 1. Both this side divided by x, so this becomes 5 minus x is equal to 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. X plus 1 by x is equal to 5. But we want to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So we note that x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y using this identity. So this becomes x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 multiplied with x into 1 by x and in the bracket x plus 1 by x. Right? Putting the values in this identity, x plus 1 by x is equal to, yes, x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y whole cube is equal to this using this identity. X cancel out, putting the value of this 5 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x की वैल्यू आपको निकालनी है, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 multiply by what is the value of 5. This becomes 125. So 125 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 15. 15 माइनस हो जाएगा, 125 minus 15 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. So this becomes 110. So value of x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 110. Option number B is the right answer. Next, question number 19. Product of this 1 minus a into 1 plus a into 1 plus a square multiply with 1 to the power 1 plus a to the power 4 into 1 plus a to the power 8 using identity x minus y into x plus y. So this becomes x square minus y square. So 1 minus a into 1 plus a, 1 square 1 and a square. Another terms as it is 1 plus a square, 1 plus a to the power 4 and 1 plus a to the power 8. Next, a minus b, a plus b, 1 minus a to the power 4, 1 plus a to the power 4 and 1 plus a to the power 8. Again, 1 minus a to the power 8, 1 plus a to the power 8. Again, so 1 minus a to the power 16. So option number A is the right answer. जो आपने खोज का एग्जाम दिया है और अगर आप 29 अक्टूबर से पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाते हैं तो आपको 5% एक्स्ट्रा आपको स्कॉलरशिप में बेनिफिट मिलेगा. मीन्स अगर आपका स्कोर 65% आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिल रही है तो 5% उसमें एक्स्ट्रा ऐड होके आपकी स्कॉलरशिप 70% हो जाएगी. सो आप 29 अक्टूबर से पहले जरूर रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा लें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. If AB parallel to DE and angle ABC is equal to 110 degree, angle ABC is equal to 110 degree, it means this angle is 110. And angle CDE is 112 degree. So this angle is 112 degree. Then find the angle BCD, means आपको ये वाला angle find करना है. Right? So draw a line parallel to AB and DE. AB is parallel to DE, so draw a line from here. AB और DE के पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ किया आपने. अब देखिए आप एंगल 110, तो ये एंगल कितना आ जाएगा? को इंटीरियर एंगल्स, सम ऑफ द को इंटीरियर एंगल्स इज 180 डिग्री, सो दिस एंगल बिकम्स 70 डिग्री. राइट. सिमिलरली फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड, अगर ये एंगल 112 होगा तो ये एंगल कितना आ जाएगा? 180 माइनस 112, 180 minus 112, तो 68 degree. Next, we want to find this angle. इसको x ले लेते तो x plus 70 plus 68 is equal to 180 degree. X plus 70 plus 68 is equal to 180 degree. Angle on the same line. So x plus 8, 7 plus 6, 13, 138 is equal to 180 degree. So angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 138. So answer is 42 degree. Option number B is the right answer. Next, question number 21. ABCD is a regular pentagon. What is pentagon? Which have 5 sides. And the bisector of angle BAE. Bisector of angle BAE. तो BAE कौन सा एंगल है? ये है. तो BAE का bisector. So this angle is equal to this angle, right? And the bisector of angle BCD. So this angle is equal to this angle. ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है. Pentagon, the each interior angle of the pentagon is 108 degree. Each interior angle of pentagon कितना होता है? 108 डिग्री. सो ये एंगल B कितना हो जाएगा? 108 डिग्री. ये होल एंगल 108, तो ये एंगल कितना आ जाएगा आपका? 54. तो दिस एंगल इज 54. सिमिलरली सामने वाले ये पूरा 108, तो बाइसेक्ट. बाई मींस टू इक्वल पार्ट. सो दिस एंगल इज आल्सो 54 डिग्री. ये भी 54 डिग्री. बोथ आर द 54 डिग्री. एंड एंगल B कितना होगा? दिस इज द इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ द पेंटागन. सो दिस बिकम्स 108 डिग्री. 108 डिग्री. This becomes 108 degree. ABECP is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral, this angle is x. CPA find करना है. So x plus 54 plus 54 plus 108 is equal to 360 degree. Because angle sum property of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. Each interior angle is 108 degree. So now finding the value of x. This is also 108. 54 plus 54, 108. 108 plus 108, 216 is equal to 360 degree. So angle x is equal to 360 minus 216. So 360 minus 216 कर देंगे, आंसर आ जाएगा 360 minus 216 144 डिग्री. जो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. इफ x is equal to 2, y equal to 4, then find the value of this. तो इसमें डायरेक्ट वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. 2/4 to the power 2 minus 4 plus y by x. 4/2 the power y minus x, so 4 minus 2. X by y, so 2/4 to the power 2 minus 4. Y by x, 4/2 the power 4 minus 2. 2 1 ja and 2 2 ja, so 1/2 the power minus 2. Plus 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 square. The reciprocal of this, 2 square plus 2 square. To 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4, so answer is 8. So option number B is the right answer. Next, question number 23. 9 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 240 plus 9 to the power x. ट्रांसपोज कीजिए राइट टू लेफ्ट 9 टू द पावर x को. सो 9 टू द पावर x प्लस 2 माइनस 9 टू द पावर x इज इक्वल टू 240. 9 टू द पावर x प्लस 2 को आप क्या लिख सकते हो, 9 टू द पावर x मल्टीप्लाई बाई 9 स्क्वायर, बेस सेम देन पावर ऐड, देन इसका रिवर्स पार्ट भी लिख सकते हो आप, माइनस 9 टू द पावर x इज इक्वल टू 240। क्या आएगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में से कॉमन, 9 टू द पावर x, सो 9 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 9 टू 40। 9 square is 81, 81 minus 1, 80. So 9 to the power x multiplied by 80 is equal to 240. So 9 to the power x is equal to 240 divided by 80. Right? So this becomes 9 to the power x is equal to 24 by 8. So 24 by 8 is 3. So 9 to the power x is equal to 3. 9 को आप क्या ले सकते हो, 3 स्क्वायर, so 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 1. Base same power compare, 2x is equal to 1, 2x is equal to 1, so x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 divided by 2, so answer is 0.5, option number A. Next, question number 24. X to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1 whole power minus 1. X to the power minus 1 is 1 by x plus 1 by y to the power minus 1. Take LCM xy and this becomes y plus x to the power minus 1. Power minus 1, so reciprocal, so this becomes x by y to the power y plus x to the power 1. Option number C, x y by x, y plus and x plus y is the same, so option number C is the right answer. Next, question number 25. The difference between simple and compound interest is 65 rupees at the 2 years time and 10 rate is 10% per annum. We know that the difference between compound interest minus simple interest is P multiplied by R by 100 to the power 2. Given that CI minus SI is 65, P we want to find, value of R is 10 divided by 100 to the power 2. 0 0 cancel out, so 65 is equal to P by 100, so cross multiplication, 65 multiplied by 100, so principal is equal to 6500, 6500 rupees, so option number A is the right answer. Next, question number 26. The time in which a sum of 30,000 amount 31,827, the rate of interest is 60%, annual compounded 6 monthly, so amount is compounded 6 monthly, interest is compounded 6 monthly, then the formula is P multiplied by 1 plus R by 2 the power 100 to the power 2t. हाफ ईयरली कंपाउंडेड है इसलिए ये फॉर्मूला लगेगा. अमाउंट इज गिवन दैट 31,827. व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल इज 30,000 मल्टीप्लाई विद 1 प्लस 6 डिवाइड बाई 2 3 by 100 to the power 2t. We want to find the time, so 2t as it is. Now simplification, 31,227 divided by 30,000 is equal to 103 by 100 to the power 2t. ये सिंप्लीफाई हो रहा है तो सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. किससे सिंप्लीफाई हो रहा है? 3 से हो रहा है. 30,609 डिवाइड बाई 1 2 3, 4 is equal to 103 by 100 to the power 2t. 10609 is the square of 103 and 10,000 is the square of 100. So 103 divided by 100 whole square is equal to 103 by 100 to the power 2t. Base same, power compare, so 2 is equal to 2t, 2 cancel, so t is equal to 1 year. So time is 1 year when the sum of 30,000 to the amount become amount is 31,227 in the 1 year. Question number 27. The time in which a sum 2,000 will be compounded interest of rupees 205, rate 20% compounded quarterly. Given that the principal is 2,000 rupees, CI is rupees 205, right? So amount is equal to principal plus principal plus interest. So 2000 plus 205. So this becomes 2205 rupees. This is the amount. Now compounded quarterly. So formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 4 to the by 100 to the power 4t. 2205. Principal is 2000 multiply by 1 plus rate is 20% divided by 4, so 5 divided by 100 is 4t. 2205 divided by 2000 is equal to 5 1 ja and 20, so this becomes 21 by 20 to the power 4t. सिंप्लीफाई दिस, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे 4 से, 441 बाई 400 इज इक्वल टू 21 बाई 21 बाई 21 बाई 20 टू द पावर 4t. 441 is the square of 21, so 21 by 20 whole square is equal to 21 by 20 to the power 4t. Base same, power compare, 2 is equal to 4t, so t is equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2, so t is equal to 1 by 2, so t is equal to 6.5 years. 6.5 ईयर्स का मीनिंग क्या होता है? 6.5 ईयर्स में 6 मंथ्स. आपको कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट दिया था, आपने प्रिंसिपल में ऐड करके अमाउंट बनाया. आफ्टर दैट यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला, राइट, p into 1 plus r by 4 to the power divided by 100 to the power 4t, and now this is the calculation. So answer is time is equal to 0.5 years means half years. Half years means 6 months. So option number C is the answer. Next, question number 28. If the radius of the circle is increased by 6%, then its area is increased by. Let radius is r. Let radius be r. Agar radius r, then the area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Right? This is the original area or initial area. But radius is increased by the 6%. Radius is increased by 66%. Radius increased 6%. Radius increased 6%. Then new radius is equal to r plus 6% of r. So r plus 6 by 100 multiply by r. So 106 by 100 r. Simplify by 2, so 53 by 10 r. This is the new radius. So or area A1 is this, so area A2 is equal to new area. A2 is new area. New area is pi r square. So pi multiplied by 50 square is 2500 and 53 square 2809. 53 square r square. So this is the new area. Increased area, area कितना increase हुआ, बढ़ा. Increased area, increased area is equal to 2809 by 2500 pi r square minus pi r square. So 2809 by 2500 minus 1 into pi r square. So this becomes 309 by 2500 pi r square. Right? But we want to find the area increased by in the percentage. So in area in the increased area in percentage, increased area in percentage. So increased area divided by original multiply by 100. So increased area is 309 divides by 309 divided by 2500 pi r square divided by pi r square multiply by 100. Pi r square cancel out. 309 divided by 2500 multiply by 100. 0 cancel out. 309 divided by 25. 25 1 जा 25. 50 बचा 55. 25 2 जा 50. 305 divided by 25. 305 divided by 25. 25 हो जाएगा. 25 1 जा 25. 5. 25 2 जा 50. 5. 55 2 जा 50. 25 2 जा 50. 12 sorry, this is 9. This is 9. 309 divided by 25. 309 divided by 25. So this becomes 25 1 ja 25. 59. 25 2 ja 50. So 9. 15 3 ja and 6 are 12.36%. If you 309 divided by 25, then 12.360%. So area increased is 12.36%. Next, question number 29. If the area of the adjacent faces of a cuboid, this is the cuboid, area of the adjacent faces means L into B, B into H into H into L, right? And given that this is value is X into Y into Z. So L square into B square into H square is equal to X into Y into Z. So this is the LBH whole square is equal to XYZ. So LBH is equal to root of XYZ. And what is the LBH? LBH is Laddu Barfi Halwa. This is the volume of the cuboid. So volume of cuboid is equal to square root of x, y and z. So option number C is the right answer. Question number 30. The area of the rhombus is 144 centimeters square. One of its diagonal is twice the other. The length of the shorter diagonal is. Area of the rhombus. Area of a rhombus. What is the formula for the area of the rhombus? Area of the rhombus is 1 by 2 diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2. Given that the area is 144 and one of diagonal is twice the other, it means 1 by 2, one of diagonal is x, then other one is twice the other, so 2x, right? So 2 to cancel out. 144 is equal to x square, so x is equal to 12. So first diagonal is 12 centimeter, other is double, so 24. So option number A is the right answer, 12 centimeter. Question number 31. If x is the reciprocal of y, it means y is equal to 1 by x. Then what is the value of x plus y by x minus y? X plus y by x minus y. X is reciprocal of y. So x is reciprocal of y, so x is equal to 1 by y. X is equal to 1 by y. X is the reciprocal of y. X is the reciprocal of y. So x is equal to 1 by y. So x is equal to 1 by y plus y divides by 1 by y minus y. Now take LCM in the numerator, so y. So this becomes 1 plus y square. Another take LCM in the denominator, y, so 1 minus y square. Y cancel out, so 1 plus y square divided by 1 minus y square. So option number B is the right answer. So next, question number 32. Square root of p by q plus square root of q by p is equal to 10 by 3. Then find the value of p is to q. Given that square root of p by q plus square root of q by p is equal to 10 by 3. Now squaring both the side. Squaring both the side. Squaring both the side. Squaring both the side. So this becomes p by q. This becomes q by p plus 2 multiplied with p by q multiplied with q by p is equal to 100 by 9. Q cancel out, PB cancel out, so P by Q plus Q by P plus 2 is equal to 100 by 9. Now transpose left hand side to right hand side, so P by Q plus Q by P is equal to 100 by 9 minus 2. So P by Q plus Q by P is equal to 100 by 9. 9 is LCM. So 100 minus 18. So this becomes 82. Now take P by Q and Q by P is the reciprocal to each other. So let P by Q is equal to X and Q by P is equal to 1 by X. Substitute in this, X plus 1 by X is equal to 82 by 9. Take LCM, X square plus 1 divided by X is equal to 82 by 9. Now cross multiplication, 9x square plus 9 is equal to x multiplied by 82. So this becomes 82x. So 9x square minus 82x plus 9 equal to 0. Now factorization, splitting the middle term, 9x square minus 81x plus 9 plus x minus x is equal plus 9 is equal to 0. Minus 81 minus 1 minus 82. So 9 common, 9x common. So x minus 9 and minus 1 common. So x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x minus 9 and 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? So x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 1 by 9. So ratio of the P is to Q is 9 by 1. So answer, option number D is the right answer. So next, question number 33. If in the given figure PQRS is a square, PQRS is a square and angle PST is 110 degree, what is the measure of angle TUR? This angle will be 90 degree because this is the square, right? And this is the, all sides are equal. So this, all sides are equal, right? And given that the angle PST means this angle is PST, whole angle is 110 degree. Then find the angle of TUR. We want to find out this angle. This complete angle PST is equal to 110 and this angle S is 90. So angle TSR is equal to, angle TSR is equal to 110 minus 90. So 20 degree. If angle TSR is 20 degree, then also angle TUR is a 20 degree because opposite angles of the rhombus are equal because it is also a parallelogram. So answer is 20. Next, question number 34. Simplified form of this. Given that x to the power 4 y multiply by 1 by y to the power 4 x to the power 4 multiply by y to the power 8 whole power minus 6. So we can write this x to the power 4 by 3 into y to the power 1 by 3 whole divides by x to the power 4 by 4 and y to the power 8 by 4 and whole power minus 6. This becomes x to the power 1, this becomes y to the power 2. Base same, power subtract, so x to the power 4 by 3 minus 1 multiply by y to the power 3 minus 2 whole power minus 6. Right? So this becomes x to the power 1 by 3 multiply by y to the power 3 LCM. So 1 minus 6 minus 5 whole power minus 6. Now multiplication, x to the power 1 by 3 multiply by minus 6 and y to the power minus 5 by 6 multiply by minus of 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, so x to the power minus 2 multiply by 6 into 6. So this becomes y to the power minus 5. Y to the power 3 minus 5 by 3. So 3 2s are. So this becomes minus 10. Minus minus plus. So this becomes y to the power 10. So y to the power 10 divided by x to the power 2. So option number B is the right answer of the question number 34. Next, question number 35. The value of 1 by 1 plus x to the power minus m plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power m. 1 by 1 plus x to the power minus m plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power m. Power minus, so 1 by 1 plus x to the power m plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power m. This becomes 1 by 1 plus 1 by x to the power m. Take LCM, 1 by x to the power m, so x to the power m plus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x to the power m. Take reciprocal in this, so this become x to the power m divided by x to the power m plus 1 plus 1 by x to the power m plus 1. LCM is x to the power m plus 1, so in the numerator x to the power m plus 1, which is cancelled out, so answer is 1. So answer of the question number 35 is C. Next, question number 36, the value of this. Given that 3 square minus 8. So we can write this in the form 2 plus 1 whole square minus 4 multiply by 2. Right? Let x is equal to 2222. Putting in this, square root of x plus 1 whole square minus 4 into x. Expansion of this, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus 4x. So this becomes x square minus 2x plus 1 whole square. So this becomes x minus 1 whole square. So answer is x minus 1. Value of the x is 2 minus 1. So final answer is 2221. So option number B is the right answer of the question number 36. Next, question number 37. Find the value of this. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. तो बोथ दिस साइड में -3 कर रहा हूँ, बट इस साइड में क्या कर रहा हूँ, y स्क्वायर माइनस 6 डिवाइड बाई 2022 माइनस 1 प्लस y माइनस 5 बाई 2023 माइनस 1 प्लस y माइनस 4 बाई 2024 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 3, because both the side -3 लिया है. Yes, तो right hand side become 0. राइट हैंड साइड 0 हो गई. Here take LCM, तो इधर आप LCM लोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 2022, और ये क्या बन जाएगा y स्क्वायर माइनस 2028. y, this is y, not a y square. Okay, this is also y. Similarly in this, plus 2023 is the LCM, so y minus 2028, right? Also in this 2024 is the LCM, so y minus 2028. In the numerator, y minus 2028, y minus 2028, y minus 2028. Take common, y minus 2028 common, so in the bracket 1 by 2022, 1 by 2023 plus 1 by 2024 is equal to 0. Thus this term will be go with the 0. ये टर्म पूरा का पूरा 0 के साथ चला जाएगा. y minus 2028 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2028. So option number, what is the value of y is 4 digit number. Yes, sum कितना 8 plus 2 10 plus 12. The value of y is a 4 digit number with the sum of digit is 14. No, sum of digit is 12. So answer is B. The value of y it a 4 digit number with the sum of its digit is 12. Next, question number 38. A cuboidal solid metal of dimension this melted cast into a cylinder of height this, find the radius. We know that the volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. L into B into H. And melted and cast into a cylinder which is height 28 centimeter. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square into H. What is the value of L? 44 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 15 is equal to 22 by 7 into radius square and height is 28. We want to find the radius. 7 4 ja 28, 7 1 ja 7 4 ja 21 ja and 22 ja, right? And 2 1 ja 2 2 ja and 2 1 ja and 2 15 ja. It means 15 multiplied by 15 is equal to radius square. So r square is equal to 225. So radius is equal to 15 centimeter. Answer is option number B. This is the simplification and this is the formula for the volume of the cuboid and volume of cylinder, because cast into a cylinder, so volume is equal. Next, question number 39. The dimension of the cuboidal is x, y, z. X plus y plus z is equal to 10. And x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 32. Find the total surface area of the cuboidal room. What is the TSA? Total surface area is 2 multiplied by xy plus yz plus zx. We want to find this. हमें ये find करना है. हमारे पास एक algebraic identity है. This is the 10. क्या है? x plus y plus z whole square. We know that this identity x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 multiplied by xy plus yz plus zx. xy plus yz plus zx. Given that the value of x plus y plus z, so 10 square is equal to x square plus y square z square is 32 plus 2 multiplied by xy plus yz plus zx. So this becomes 100 and minus 32 is equal to 2 multiplied by xy plus yz plus zx. This becomes 68. So total surface area of the cuboidal box is 68 meter square, because measurement is in the meter square. So answer of the question number 39 is D. Question number 40. Given that a multiplied by a minus b plus b multiplied by b minus c plus c multiplied by c minus a is equal to 0. Terms wise multiply. A square minus ab plus b square minus bc plus c square minus ca is equal to 0. Right? Multiply with 2 both this side. So this becomes 2a square minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc plus 2c square minus 2ac is equal to 0 multiplied by 2. Both this side multiply by 2. So this is 2 times a square, 2 times b square, 2 times c square. We can write a square plus a square minus 2ab plus 2b square plus b square minus 2bc plus c square plus c square minus 2ca is equal to 0. If we rearrange the term, a square minus 2ab plus b square and plus b square minus 2bc plus c square and c square minus 2ac plus a square is equal to 0. This becomes a minus b whole square Next becomes b minus c whole square, and last one is c minus a whole square. Right? So this becomes a minus b whole square is equal to 0. So a equal to b. Similarly, b minus c whole square is equal to 0. So this becomes b equal to c. Similarly, c minus a whole square equal to 0. c minus a whole square is equal to 0. So c equal to a. It means a equal to b equal to c. A equal to b equal to c. All a equal to b equal to c and a, b, c are the sides of the triangles, and all are equal. So all sides are equal in the equilateral triangle. So option A is the right answer of the question number 40.